Hey everyone, welcome to HVAC Official Channel, your home for everything related to air conditioning, heating, everything and appliances. Today we're answering one of the most common beginner questions. What is HVAC? If you're new to this field or just curious about how your home stays cool in summer and warm in winter, this video is for you. Let's break it down. What does HVAC stand for? HVAC stands for H, heating, V, ventilation, AC, air conditioning. It's a system that controls indoor temperature, airflow, and air quality in homes, offices, and buildings. What does an HVAC system do? An HVAC system keeps you comfortable in all seasons. In summer, it cools the air with an air conditioner. In winter, it heats the air using a furnace or heat pump. It also circulates fresh air and filters dust, humidity, and odors. Main components of HVAC. Here are the main parts of a standard HVAC system. Thermostat, the brain of the system. You set your desired temperature here. Furnace, heats the air using gas or electricity. Air conditioner, AC, cools the air using refrigerant. Ductwork, carries hot or cold air around the house. Filters, clean the air before it enters your room. Ventilation system, brings in fresh air and removes stale air. Why HVAC is so important? HVAC is not just about comfort. It's also about health and efficiency. It keeps the air clean, reducing allergies and germs. It maintains proper humidity, preventing mold, and it helps save energy with the right settings. Types of HVAC systems. There are several types of HVAC setups. Split system. One part inside, one part outside, common in homes. Packaged system. All in one box, usually outside. Ductless mini-split, for individual rooms without ductwork. Central HVAC system, for large buildings or homes. VRF, VRV systems, used in commercial and high-rise buildings for energy efficiency. Who works in HVAC? An HVAC technician installs, maintains, and repairs heating and cooling systems. It's a high-demand career with jobs available in homes, hotels, malls, factories, and even abroad. To sum up, HVAC equals heating plus ventilation plus air conditioning. It's all about keeping you comfortable, healthy, and energy efficient. If you're planning to join the HVAC field or just want to understand how your system works, this is the foundation. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our weekly HVAC and appliance repair videos. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll personally reply to help you out.